Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to connect ActiveCampaign to your Google Sites using Google Forms as an intermediary. This workaround will help you capture leads and automatically sync them with ActiveCampaign so you can follow up with them quickly. So let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is to start by creating a Google form to collect the information you need, such as name, email, and other custom fields. So once your form is ready, embed it on your Google Sites page. Now, every time someone fills out the form, it will collect their information. Next, log into Zapier and create a new Zap. So we're going to select Google Forms. Google Form. There we go. All right, so next we're going to choose new form response as a trigger. And this will make sure every time someone submits the form, the data gets sent to ActiveCampaign. Great. Now for the action, we're going to select ActiveCampaign. All right, then we're going to choose the action. You can add the contact to a list, apply tags, or even start an automation. So just let's stick with add tag. All right, remember also to sign into your accounts, to your Google Form account and to your ActiveCampaign account as well. All right, so you can go ahead and map the data. And then when you are done with that, then you can go ahead and test and see if everything is working properly. So with this setup, every new form submission on your Google site will be captured in ActiveCampaign, and you'll be ready to follow up with your leads automatically. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, check out the free trial link in the description and start automating your lead capture today. I'll see you in the next one.